Tired of payment gateway headaches trying to sell your digital products or memberships online in India? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to seamlessly connect Stripe with Payhip, even with the specific bank account requirements for Indian users. Let's dive in. First, head over to Payhip and log into your account. If you don't have one, quickly sign up. It's super easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your settings. You'll usually find it near your profile icon. Then, click on Payment Settings. You'll see a Connect with Stripe button. Give that a click. This will redirect you to Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, log in. If not, you'll need to create one. This is crucial. Make sure you fill out all the information accurately, especially your business details and contact information. Now comes the important part for Indian users, your bank account details. Be extremely careful in entering your bank account number, IFSC code, and account holder name. Double and triple check everything to avoid any issues with payouts. Stripe might ask you to verify your bank account. This usually involves uploading a scanned copy of a bank statement or a cancelled check. Follow their instructions carefully. Once your Stripe account is verified and your bank account is linked, you'll be redirected back to Payhip. You should now see that your Stripe account is successfully connected. Congratulations! Now your customers in India and around the world can easily purchase your products or subscribe to your memberships through Stripe on Payhip. See, integrating Stripe with Payhip for Indian bank accounts isn't so hard after all. Now go out there and start selling.